I'd like to share a student success story, a chance meeting in Delhi, where an appointment is made to meet in a hotel lobby over tea. Little knowing that the journey this student was going to embark on would result in a trajectory that would lead to a role at a world-renowned fashion house in Paris, France. Upon meeting me, this student was in the process of applying to a range of UK universities, working with an agent, navigating the application process, of which mine was not on the top of her list. As we sat and talked, I listened to her dream of studying in the UK. I shared my lived experiences as an educator and practitioner, and we engaged in a conversation that explored the creative lifestyle holistically, embracing design through an academic lens. The meeting concluded, and within my capacity as an academic, I gave the student an offer to join the institute I was part of to begin her undergraduate study in fashion. The summer passed, and that autumn she joined the first year of BA Honours Fashion Study, where I was a senior lecturer. With passion and commitment, each year she developed her skills, growing from strength to strength. She concluded with showcasing her final major project at London Graduate Fashion Week. This followed with a postgraduate study in Paris, leading to her success today being at one of Paris's internationally renowned fashion houses. If you have the commitment, drive, talent and determination, then give yourself the opportunity to learn the skills to present your design ideas with vision and clarity, preparing with me your trajectory to fashion success.